Hey guys, Scar1640 here. Another video. As you guys can see, this is a Murray. You're wondering what the heck am I doing for Murray? Well, it was a automatic, but everything switched over. I'll show you what's going on now. This is a Peerless 6-speed, and I'll show you something that's also a good feature in this mower. Got a twin turbo on it, and I got this Husqvarna lawn mower. Yes, this is going to be for cutting the grass and doing some videos with. And where's the other mower? Right here. This is the one that has 6-speed Peerless. This motor is blowed up, and it had a bee nest in it. And it's similar to the Murray, besides it's a Husky. Let's go back over here. Walking over here. Murray. This is the Murray mud mower now. I need a stronger clutch spring because the clutch spring is apparently weak on this thing. Because it came with the hydrostatic. That's what I think one of the clutch springs will be. As you can see up there, the drain plug on this thing. I filled up with oil. 6-speed Peerless. Not sure if it's an 800 one, but the belt rubs it on that a little bit. It's not gonna hurt much, but I'll be making videos of this thing for a long time. Try to put a tighter spring that goes this way over here. Tighter clutch spring. Let's look when I engage the clutch. Barely any tension applied at all. No tension. No tension on the belt. No tension on the belt. And no tension on the belt. So I'm pulling back. It's tension. I don't understand. And it has a big old motor pulley. This thing does about 12 miles per hour. That's pretty fast for a lawnmower, if you ask me. 12 miles an hour can easily throw you off this lawnmower. Okay, guys. I forgot to show you under the hood of the Husky here. Underneath the hood, we have a Kawasaki XP series. This is a nice mower, which I'm working on the battery terminals. The battery terminals are broken. So, yeah. The Murray mud mower, the Craftsman is down for the count. Bye, guys. I'll talk to you later. Scar1640 out. Here. This is the Murray. As you can see, it's spray painted now. The red color. The red Murray. Murray red. The gear shifter. 6-speed. Peerless. Some kind of 900, I guess. Peerless. Not sure, but I'll give y'all a ride and move this drill. Give y'all a ride right quick. It goes 12 miles an hour. That's as fast as I want it to go. it's an off-road line. That's the idea. Clutch spring is weak on this thing. Guys, it's only one-wheel drive. I haven't bought the transaxle on it because apparently I ain't know enough to use a welder, but you know I can use one. But gotta go through some classes I don't have. So I can use one. This is the Murray mud mode. Think what it is for. Flashlight on the mower. The idler pulley. And this pulley right here is a pretty big pulley on the motor. It allows the belt to move more faster. It allows it to go faster. That's what we drop there. I don't know if this is a Peerless 801. It's a 6-speed Peerless. With a drain plug. It's a yellow drain plug up here. I'm not sure what kind it is. Usually it's supposed to have it right there. What kind? Don't. Pretty good motor. It's a twin turbo. The hood's about to break off. There you go, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll go on and get some mud run for you. And happy 4th of July, everybody. And hope y'all get what y'all want this year. God bless. Bye, guys. Talk to you guys soon. Come on, boys. The big question of all today is, how did I get this Murray? Well, I found a yard sale. This guy was selling it for $50, but I lowered the price down to $30 and got the Murray. And it had an automatic transmission on it. I took the automatic transmission off of it, put that 6-speed Peerless on there, put gear oil in there, and it has the same 90-inch belt, and it works fine. So that's how I got the mowers, and I got one from a friend, and another friend gave one to me, that Husqvarna. Bye guys, talk to you guys soon.